Hello students, good morning to all. So today we will continue self practice 2M. Yesterday we have solved till question number 4. Now we will solve from question number 5. Now see the question number 5. A racing car travels 425 meter. A racing car travels 425 meter in 10 seconds. So find the speed in kilometer per hour. Express the speed in kilometer per hour. So we have to express the speed of car in kilometer per hour. So distance traveled by car is 425 meter, correct? And time taken by the car to travel this distance 10 seconds. So speed of the car is equals to distance upon time, and distance is 425 meter, time 10 seconds. So what we got, 885 by 2 meter per second. 85 by 2 meter . 85 by 2 meter per second. Okay, so now we have to express this speed in kilometer per hour. So 85 by 2, to express the speed in kilometer per hour, we have to multiply by 18 by 5. 18 by 5. So when you multiply the meter per second, when we multiply the speed in meter per second by 18 by 5, then the speed will be converted into kilometer per hour. Now the speed will be converted into kilometer per hour. So 2 1 are 2, 2 9 are 18, 5 1 are 5, 5 17 are 85. Okay. So now the speed will be 9 7 are 63, 3 carry 6, 9 1 are 9, 6 15, 153 kilometer per hour. So the speed of car is 153 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now we move to the question number 6. Now we move question number 6. Question number 6. So question number 6. A flask weighs 64.27 gram when empty and 150.35 gram when full of water. So find its weight when it is half full of water. So when the flask is half full of water, so the weight of flask plus weight of flask equals to 64.27 gram. Weight of flask equals to 64.27 gram when empty. So weight of empty flask, we can write weight of empty flask when there is no water in the flask. So weight of empty flask is equals to 64.27 gram and 105.35 gram when full of water. Now weight of flask weight of flask weight of flask full of water. Weight of flask full of water equals to 150.35 gram. 150.35 gram. So weight of flask full of water, in that if we subtract the weight of empty flask, so we'll get the weight of water in flask. Now what we find? Weight of water in flask. So weight of water in flask equals to weight of water in flask equals to weight of water in flask equals to 150.35 gram minus 64.27 gram. So when we subtract this quantity, I will get the weight of water. Okay. So what I am doing here? Just I am subtracting the weight of empty flask from the weight of flask full of water. So when we subtract the weight of empty flask from the weight of flask full of water, we will get the weight of water in the flask. Weight of water in the flask. And after that we have to calculate the weight of flask half full of water. Then we will calculate the half weight of water we add in the empty flask. Okay, now see 15 minus 7, 8, 12 minus 2 minus 2, 0. Now 10 minus 4, 6, 14 minus 6, 8. So that is 86.08 gram is the weight of water in the flask. Okay, but we have to find its weight when it is half full of water. Now weight of half water. Weight of flask. Weight of flask. Weight of flask half full of water. Half full of water. So weight of flask half full of water. That is the weight of flask 64.27 gram. 64.27 gram plus half weight of water, because half into weight of water, that is 86.08 gram. This is the half weight of water. So now we add it. So what we get? 64.27 gram plus half of this. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0, 2 4s are 8. 43.04 gram. So what we get when we add this value? See, 64.27 and we add 43.04. Add 7 4 11 carry 1 3 4 3 7 6 4 10. 107.31 gram. 107.31 gram is the weight of flask half full of water. Okay. Now we move to the question number 7. Now see the question number 7. A square and an equilateral triangle have a side in common. There is a square. A square and an equilateral triangle have a side in common. If a side of the triangle is 15 mm long, find the perimeter of the figure given alongside in centimeter. Side of the triangle is given 15. Side of the triangle is 15 mm. So this is also 15 mm because the triangle and the square have the common side. So this is the side of the triangle 15 mm, and this is also the side of the square also. Okay. So square and an equilateral triangle have a side in common. If a side of the triangle is 15 mm long, find the perimeter of the figure. So we have to find the perimeter of the figure. Now perimeter of the figure equals to add all this. This is also 15, this is also 15, this is also 15. So how many sides are 15 here? If you calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 15 sides are there. That is 15 mm into 6. Perimeter of the figure it is asked. So it will not go inside. Will not go inside. So this will not go. Only the figure perimeter, whole figure perimeter we have to find. So we will not account this one because we can traverse. If we start from this point A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, then E to A. So A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, A. So this is the perimeter. So perimeter will be what? 15 mm into 5, that is 75 mm or 7.5 centimeter. So that is the perimeter. Okay, find the perimeter in the centimeters, that is 7.5 centimeter. Now the question number 8, diameter of the earth is 56,027 lakh, 1 crore 27 lakh 56,000, 1 crore 27 lakh 56,000 meter. A new planet was discovered whose diameter is 5 by 86 of the diameter of the earth. Find the diameter of the planet in kilometer. So it is meter given, so diameter of the earth. First we solve question number 8. Meter, 1 crore 27 lakh 56,000 meter. A new planet. So diameter of the new planet equals to, now the diameter of new planet equals to now diameter of new planet equals to 5 by 86 of earth diameter, 5 by 86 of the diameter of the earth, 5 by 86 of the diameter of the earth means 1 crore 27 lakh 6,000 meter. So that we can write, if we divide this number by 1000, it will become 12,756 kilometer. Okay, so first of all we convert this in kilometer, so it will become 12756 kilometer. So when you divide by 1000, this 3 zeros will be cancelled because 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. So here I can write only in kilometer. Diameter of the earth in kilometer is 1276 kilometer. Okay, now 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are 16. Now divide 638 by 43. So 43, if we divide 638 by 43, what you will get? 43 ones are 43, 208. Now 6 3s are 18. So it is not divisible. So now we multiply it and we will find the answer in decimal. So 5 8s are 40, 0 carry 4, 5 3s are 15 4 90, 9 carry 1, 5 6s are 30, 31. 3190 upon 43 kilometer. Okay, 5 8s are 40, 0 carry 4, 5 3s are 15 4 19, carry 1, 5 6s are 30 plus 1 31 upon 43. That is 3190 upon 43 kilometer. That is the answer. Now we divide 3190 by 43. Okay, so ignore this. It will go 4 8 are 32, 4 7 are, maybe 7 times it will go. 7 3 are 21, 7 4 are 28 to 30. So 9 minus 1 8, 1 minus 0 1, 180. So 4 4 are 16, 4 times. 4 3 are 12, 4 4 are 12, carry 1, 4 4 are 16, 170, 172. 8 remainder, not decimal, 80. So 43 2s are 86, so it will go 1 times only. 1, so 80 minus 43, 10 minus 7, again 370, 370. So it will go 8 times. 8 3 are 24, 8 3 are 24, carry 2 8 4 are 32 to 34. Now this time 10 minus 4 gives you 6, 6 minus 4 gives you 2, 26 remainder. Okay, so 74.18. So 260, one more times will go. So 260, in this it will go 4 8 are 24, 4 6 are 24, 6 times. 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24 and 25. So how many times it goes? 6 times. 6 3 is 18, na? 6 times. So 74.186 kilometer. Answer is 74.186 kilometer. That is the answer. 74.186 kilometer. Let me check the answer. Yes. 741.6 kilometer. Okay. 741.6 kilometer. kilometer. So that is here. Let me check the calculation. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are 16. Correct? 638. Now 5 8 are 40, 5 3 are 15, 4 19, 31, 3091 43. Now here 5 43 7 are 301. Okay. So diameter of the earth is 1275600, means 1,27,56,000 meter. So diameter of new planet equals to 5 by 86 of 638. 243 are 12756. 5 is missing here. Okay, here 12756, 5 is missing. Okay, the mistake is here. 12756, 12756. This 2 what to take? 127 127 12756 kilometer. Okay, 12756 kilometer. So when you divide this, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 2 7 are 14, 2 8 are 6378. Okay, so now multiply by 5. So when you multiply it, you will get 5 8s are 40, 5 7 are 35, 4 39, 9 carry 3, 5 3 are 15. So when you solve it, after that when you solve it, you will get the 741.6 kilometer. So after that when you solve it, this number, when you multiply 5 into 2378 divided by 43, after multiplying and dividing you get 741.6 kilometer. Okay, that is the answer. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class we will continue the remaining question of this self practice 2M. Thank you for your kind attention.